Namaste Karnataka, welcome to TIDI Academy Post Market Analysis. First we will go for Nifty chart. As we can see, gap up happened in Nifty. After that it completely covered the gap and took the previous sideways support. After that it made a complete one uptrend. After that it closed near to the where it has opened. So if we come to tomorrow levels, so today's high will be the strong resistance level, that is around 19,435. so this one we can take it as resistance 1. If it happens, if tomorrow if it opens flat and if it breaks today's high, we can expect further up move on tomorrow. Or else if it opens flat and if it breaks this swing and the support which took today, right, which is around 19,300, if it breaks this low and this low, we can expect further downside in Nifty. Now we go to Bank Nifty chart. So as you can see in Bank Nifty chart, it took previous day high as a resistance and it covered the complete gap. After that it made a strong rally on the bullish side. Here it took the previous swing as a support. So after that we can see like a profit booking which has happened. So where the market opened on the Bank Nifty, on the same zone it has closed. So on tomorrow, if it breaks, means if it opens flat and if it breaks today's high on tomorrow, which is level around 45,650, we can take it as resistance 1. So if it breaks this high and if it moves further, we can expect further up move in Bank Nifty. Or else if it opens flat and if it breaks today's the swing which is support, we can take from this here as a support, and if it breaks down, we can expect Bank Nifty to till come down this level, which is around 44,990 level. After that if it breaks, it can move further downside also. Now we see with Fin Nifty. So in Fin Nifty, in the morning it tried to cover the gap, but it took the previous range bound support. So it took the previous range bound support. After that we can see one bullish movement. So today Fin Nifty expiry was there, so it made a like what we can say like profit booking which was happened. So where the market opened Fin Nifty, so around near it has closed. So if we come to tomorrow levels, if the market opens flat and if it breaks today's high, which is around 20,580 level, around 20,500, so this one we can take it as resistance 1. So if it breaks this higher level, we can expect further up move in Fin Nifty. Or else if it opens flat and if it breaks this swing, and we can see the immediate support level which is around 20,300, we can take it as support. After that if it breaks further low, we can expect this one as another strong support level which is around 20,200. Now we check with TCS stock. As I took daily time frame, so here what we can see is like the complete one cup and handle pattern which has formed in TCS stock. So if it breaks this neckline, we can expect the market like in TCS move with the cup length. So what is the length which the cup is having, that much length we can expect higher of this level. But before that it should break with a strong green color candle of this highs. So after that we can expect further up move in TCS. So today it has made a cup and handle, we can expect up move in TCS. If you like this video, please like, share and comment this video and do subscribe. So meet you in next post market analysis. Thank you.